Welcome to the International School of Tailoring. My name is Reza and this is going to be your fourth lesson of our How to Make a Bespoke Jacket series. Now in the last lesson I showed you two ways to construct a hem. In this lesson, however, I'd like to show you another additional set of tools which are going to be our templates. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you all the templates that I have in front of me. Then I'll explain why it is that they're important. And last but not least, I'll leave you with a PDF. So let's have a look at all the templates in front of us. First of all, you noticed when I was showing you my rulers, I didn't have any curved rulers. This is because I have curved templates. Now, the reason why I prefer them is because they are not as expensive as curved rulers are, but I can also update them and change them if I have to. I may not be happy with the specific curve of a ruler. And so if I want to increase or decrease the curve, I can easily do that with a template, but I may not be able to do that with a ruler. So I have here a few curves. I use them for example, the forearm of a sleeve, or I use them for the hips of a trouser and what have you. Then we have an armhole pattern here and the reverse of that, let's say the negative space. Very good to use during the marking up of colors, armholes of course, but also other areas like the neckline. Obviously there are going to be patterns for our lapels, and we're going to have multiple lapels as we are making jackets during our career. But it is good to have them and to keep them, because you'll look at the first lapel pattern you made, and then after 10 years you look at your 3000th lapel pattern and you'll see how you've developed and progressed. There is a front edge pattern for the curve of the jacket, of a single-breasted jacket to be specific. A few color templates. This, for example, is made so that it can move and change angle depending on, of course, the shoulders of the individual. There are a few sleeve head wadding templates that I sometimes use. And of course, we have a few templates for our pockets. Now, the great thing about templates is that they're not just specific curves. They also help you to perfect your construction, because you can develop patterns for every part of your garment. Not only will that help you to understand your garment better, but it will also make sure that all the layers are perfectly aligned and are used in the right way. So, what makes patterns and templates so important is that, first of all, you can become consistent. If you're making the same jacket and you want to have a particular style, you can use the same lapel template to make sure that all your lapels, for example, look the same. But another good thing about templates is that they allow you to puzzle everything out so that you just use whatever you need. A lot of times, especially amateurs, buy a lot of fabric because they don't know exactly how much they need, and so they end up paying a lot more than they need to. So you will save fabric, but also a lot of money. If you're working for another company and they are giving you the fit up to work with, you can instantly plot your way through the fabric that you have to see if you have enough fit up, especially if you're working with a check fabric or a stripe or a herringbone. And it's those moments that templates become your best friend. So, having said that, that's all you need to know about templates. Obviously, these are not all the templates that I've ever made or have ever used. You yourself will be making a lot of templates based on all the different projects and styles that you're going to go through. The most important thing to remember can be summarized as the following. Templates help you to be faster and a lot more consistent with your lines. They help you to be more efficient with your material because you can puzzle everything out. And since you're using templates, that automatically improves your work systematically every time you update one of those templates. Now, to give you a head start, I've put a PDF together for you with the templates that I myself use the most. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description of this video, download the PDF, print it out, put it on a piece of gray board or MDF if you want something more rigid, or if you want to get fancy, you can have them laser cut. I do have to say, if you do have them laser cut, please share it with us on the community page of our website, because I'm curious to see how it all looks. My name is Reza, this was today's lesson, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Take care. So, I was Reza, but now I'm someone else. You are me, I am you, and that's it. My name is Reza. This was today's lesson. I look forward to seeing the next one. Ciao.